My channel. In this video, we'll be talking about, I'll be teaching you how to buy those coins that I told you about. And one of them, let me go to my Telegram to show you. These are the coins we are going to buy here from MetaMask. These are potential coins that will give you a nice profit. All right. The first one we're going to buy is KKing. The next one is Puma Pump, and then BabyCom. We're going to buy these three. Okay, I'll just use one as an example for you. Then you can go ahead and buy the other one. Now, the first thing you do is you copy this link. Now I'm going to drop it on the description. If you copy this link, then you go to, that is a swap. That's the place you can buy. Okay, is a swap site that you can use in buying and selling of your coin, your shit coins, right? So we'll go ahead and go to MetaMask. If we go to MetaMask, we're gonna input our password. So we input our password. These steps are very, very simple, okay? And these coins will do well. You can buy as low as $5 of it, $10 of it, and expect your big, massive profit. All right? So what we'll do next is we have already sent a call. We have already sent call to this play because we are going to use call to buy those coins. And I taught you how to send call to this place and how to set it up. All right. So the link is on the description on how to download and set up your MetaMask, how to import the MetaMask blockchain, this MetaMask blockchain, how to import your own, then how to send call to this your wallet. Then we are now in the level of using this call now to buy those coins. So the first thing you do is to copy that link I told you to copy. Then you now come to this place. You now come to this place. You now come to this browser on your MetaMask. You come to that place. You click on that browser. Once you click on the browser, it will open. Okay, once it's open, oh sorry, I've already searched. Okay, let me start again. I think, sorry, let me open a new. This is how your own will look like. All right. Once you open this browser, this is the first page you will see. Then what you do is you click on this search. Click on this search and then paste that link. You paste that link and then you search. You press enter on your keyboard. Don't type any of that. Just press enter on your keyboard. Then it will open. As it's opening, please, you come to this page. This is the page you will see. Once you search that link, you press and paste the link, then you search. Now once you come to this place, you just go ahead and click on swap. You click on this swap. So if you click on swap, it will enter your browser automatically. We'll still go back to the MetaMask. Once you open your browser, this is the place that is very important. This is where we're going to be swapping those coins, because in your wallet, you don't buy coin, you swap it. You swap it from one coin to another. We did that in Trust Wallet those years. Now we are using MetaMask. So the next thing to do is to connect your MetaMask wallet. Click on this connect to connect it. If I click on connect, then you select your MetaMask. That's what we're using. So I'll click on MetaMask, then click on MetaMask again. Then put in my password. As I'm waiting for it to open, please don't forget to like this video, okay? Comment, tell us where you are getting confused. I will answer you. I will reply everybody's message. Once I see your message, I will reply you. All right, supposed to have connected. Let's check again. Swap, connect. Let's go again. Connect. Okay, let me use Chrome. You can use Chrome or anyone you want to use. Just, I try continuing with my MetaMask. Let's try swap. Connect. Why is it not connect? Connect my MetaMask. I'm going to remove this password and see. It's supposed to have connected. Please don't forget to like this video. Please like this video and comment. Let me remove this password so that it can just enter security and then never lock. Don't lock it again. Don't want to lock. So let us try again. You go to your browser, go to this small place, your browser, then you click on swap, click on swap, then you connect your MetaMask. Why is it not connect? It's supposed to connect. MetaMask. Connect. Aha, connected. Finally, it has connected. So it's not. I don't know why it took time, but it's not supposed to take time to connect. Just keep on clicking the connect. It will connect. Now, once it's connected, the next thing you will see is that your balance will start showing. Your core balance will start showing. Okay. So now I want to swap from core to. I don't want to buy OEX. Let me search the coin I want to buy. So you click on this OEX, then you search the coin you want to buy. So you click on OEX, then you can search on those coins. For example, we want to buy BabyCom. Want to buy BabyCom. So let us check for the BabyCom. Sorry. Let me search BabyCom. BabyCom. Okay. Once you search it and you did not see it, all you need to do is come and copy the contract address. Come and copy the contract address. So I saved it on my Telegram. So I'm going to drop the all this contract address on the description, right? So I will copy the contract address. If you are sure you have copied the contract address, then you come over to this place you are supposed to search and paste that contract address there. Once you paste it there, it will automatically come out. Then you import it. If you import it now, then you acknowledge the risk. Then the next thing is, I want to buy with 25% of my money. Let me just put 25% of my money. Okay? Then I will swap. You see how many I'm getting? I'm getting over. I cannot. That is why it is a shit coin. You pack them as big as only. This thing is just $6. Only $6 is what I want to put here. But see what I'm packing. So I'll just click on swap. I'll just click on swap. Then click swap. You confirm it. Successful. See? Done. So that is how you do the rest. So by yourself, buy other ones, okay? So repeat the process and buy other ones that you want to buy. So that is that for that. So let's import the token here so that we can be seeing it. Click this import token. So you click import token, you search the contract address here, you paste the contract address here, paste the contract address, then next. BabyCom, see the name BabyCom, you press next again, you import it. You see, this is my BabyCom. So I have over 10 blah blah blah. I don't know if it is billion or trillion. So that is my BabyCom. I've already bought it. So that is how you do the rest. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More to come. More. Once new coin comes out, I'll let you guys know and tell you how to buy it as well. Bye bye.